In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Glide. If you're ready to turn a spreadsheet into a working app in minutes, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so your data imports cleanly and your app gets off to a great start. First, go to the Glide website in your browser. Glide is a no-code platform that builds apps directly from your data, so having your file tidy before you start will pay off. Once the site loads, sign into your account. If you already use Glide, your dashboard will appear with any existing projects. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you want this new app to live, especially if you're collaborating with a team. From your dashboard, click New App. This is where you choose the data source that Glide will use to build your app. Select Import File. This option is perfect when your data lives in a local file, like a CSV or an Excel workbook, and you want Glide to create a new data table from it. After selecting Import File, click Continue to move ahead. Next, click Choose a File. This opens your computer's file picker so you can find the dataset you want to use. Choose your file and confirm. For best results, use a clean dataset with a single header row, clear column names, and no merged cells. Dates should be actual date values rather than text, and numbers should be formatted as numbers. If your file includes images or links, place them in their own columns. Also, double-check that you're not importing any private or sensitive information. Keep your dataset limited to what your app truly needs. Glide will process the file and show you a preview so you can confirm that columns and rows look correct. If something appears off, it usually helps to fix it in your source file, like renaming a column or removing blank rows, and then import again. When everything looks good, click Create App. Glide will generate a new project using your imported data as its foundation, automatically mapping fields and giving you a starting layout you can customize. From here, you can adjust components, tweak visibility rules, and refine your design, all powered by the data you just brought in. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.